Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to do this video because this is a PR package from Pixi Beauty, and low-key I already opened the box, so it's not really an unboxing video, but we gonna call it an unboxing video. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video and show you guys what I received from Pixi Beauty. First things first, it came in this big old light green, kind of light green, I don't know, but it's in the green department. But it came in this box, Pixi by PETRA, and on the back it has the social media and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box because this is what you guys are here for. You guys want to see what I got, okay? So within that big green box is this big old pretty pink box that says Pixi. Then it has hashtag Pixi love. I really do like this box. Like, it's real pretty. Do y'all see that? Like, it's super pretty. The box is really gorgeous. Like, I think I might keep this box, you know. They might send me another one later on, but I think I might keep this box. Ooh, it smells so good. I didn't notice that it smelled good.
It smells so good. I didn't notice that it smelled good.
And it says, this special present to you is a beautiful reflection of the Pixi perfect beauty I see in all of you. Enjoy, XOXO Petra. Then it says, we would love to see the gorgeous looks you create using this new eye essentials. Please show us your looks and tag us at Pixi Beauty and hashtag Pixi Beauty. And then again, it has the social media and website over here. So this is what I received: 2 eyeshadow palettes, and in here is brushes. So the brushes came in this little thing, reminds me of, you know, sunglass case. So that's real cute. So it says Pixi right here. And then here are the 3 brushes. They're green. I really didn't notice. I like, you know, this smells good. Like it's new. I like the new, call me weird, but I like the new stuff, like the new car smell, new shoe smell. Like, this smells good. But anywho, I have 3 brushes, and again I have 2 palettes, very gorgeous palettes. So this palette is the Pixi Eye Reflection Shadow Palette Reflects Light. So on the back it does have the names of the shadow. So this is Vanilla Glitz, Nude Luster, Gold Foil, Pink Luster, Vintage Gold, Brilliant Bronze, 3D Peach, Auburn Blaze, Copper Penny, Antique Bronze, Chestnut Glimmer, and Cocoa Glaze. That is real pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple for you guys because I saved the swatching for this video. I haven't even swatched it. So we're gonna swatch Vanilla Glitz. Ooh, that's pretty. Gold Foil. Wow, that is pretty. Auburn Blaze. Oops. Did on the same finger. Auburn Blaze, Cocoa Glaze. Y'all, these colors are real pretty. So this is the Reflex Lights palette, and then this one is the Natural Beauty palette. So this one has more of a natural shades as well as a couple of matte shades. So starting here, this is Sheer Sand, Metal Mauve, Petal, Antique Rose, Rose Clay, Metallic Rose. Then you have Deep Taupe, Foiled Bronze, Soft Brown, Chocolate Brown, Cocoa Shimmer, and Bronze Glim. So I'm going to swatch 2 of the shimmers and 2 of the matte. So let's swatch Metal Mauve, Rose Clay, Soft Brown, and Chocolate Brown. Those are some pretty swatches. Pretty swatches. So once again, I am really excited for this stuff. I will be doing some makeup looks using these palettes very soon. So you guys look out for that. But I really do like, I was really excited to get this. I was kind of surprised, but I wasn't. Like, I was surprised that I got it this quickly. But I really thank Pixi Beauty for sending me this PR package. I really enjoy it and I will get some use. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Very short, not too long. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video. And I know I forget to say this, but for all my OG subscribers, thanks for rocking with me. Still, all my new subscribers, welcome. And if you are watching this video now and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you guys won't miss a new upload from me. And don't forget to check out my recent videos.
Hello.
You guys are going to love me. But anywho, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in my next one.